This is the creator of White Stallion Apparel, and this is me being an absolute moron for approximately 78 seconds.
Meow. Howdy. Meowdy. Outy. Meow outy. Meowdy outy. Meow meow meowdy outy. Howdy meow meow meowdy outy.
First, they would cheat you, hurt you, lie. But Master's my friend. You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
My throat hurts. You have no idea how many times I rehearsed that before I actually recorded it. That was a mistake.
I have a mic, and I have a weight. No, that's heavy. That's better.